Hi everyone, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update, and the trend of rates going up just continues due to two inflation reports that came out this week, the CPI and the PPI inflation report, which both came in higher than expected. And so a major reversal when we just went from 2 weeks ago being at a 5-month low in interest rates to now we're at a 3-month high. So what does that mean? That means that rates went from a few weeks ago of being in the high fives to now in the mid to high sixes and approaching the sevens again, which is what we saw at the end of October. Now, with that said, why is this happening? Well, after all the positive data started coming out in November and December with inflation reports that were showing that inflation is getting better, you had the Fed meeting in February that said, hey, we recognize inflation is getting better. However, the job's still not done. Followed by a very strong jobs report, followed by more comments from the Fed saying that, see, we said the job's not done. There's more data ahead that we're looking at, followed by two reports this week that just again showed inflation higher than expected. Therefore, now people, different investors, analysts are predicting that the next Fed meeting they're going to potentially raise rates by 0.5% instead of the 0.25%, which is right now currently the forecast. Therefore, again, the bond market and mortgage-backed securities continue to get pressure and rates continue to go higher. And until data starts coming out to contradict this or to change everybody's opinion on inflation, which most likely is going to start happening in May, until then we're going to continue to see rates rise. Again, anything could happen. We all thought that a few weeks ago we were going to be cruising from here with rates continuing to improve until the summertime. However, things changed quickly. In the mortgage world, in our current kind of economic environment that we're in right now, anything can happen, anything could change. Unfortunately, today the news isn't great. Hopefully something changes. However, we want to keep you updated with the most real data, accurate information that's really driving rates. So there you have it. That is your weekly rate update. If there's anything at all that me or the team could do for you, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you guys have a great weekend.